Cutting the cord and switching to streaming TV can be daunting, with a multitude of options available. YouTube TV is a popular choice, but is it the right one for you? Let's dive into the advantages and disadvantages to help you decide. Advantages of YouTube TV: extensive channel lineup. YouTube TV boasts a broad range of channels, including local networks, ABC, CBS, NBC, Fox, popular cable channels, ESPN, CNN, HGTV, and sports networks. This makes it a great option for diverse viewing preferences. Unlimited cloud DVR storage. Record as many shows as you want without worrying about storage limits. Plus, your recordings are accessible from any device with internet access. Multiple streams. Watch on up to 3 devices simultaneously, making it ideal for households with multiple viewers. User-friendly interface. YouTube TV's interface is intuitive and easy to navigate, making it a breeze to find your favorite shows and manage recordings. No hidden fees. The monthly price is transparent, with no extra charges for DVR or multiple streams. Is YouTube TV a good or bad choice for you? Good choice if you want a comprehensive channel lineup, including local networks and sports channels. You value unlimited DVR storage and the flexibility to watch on multiple devices. You prefer a simple and user-friendly interface. Bad choice if you're looking for the absolute cheapest streaming option. You don't watch much live TV and primarily stream on-demand content. You're outside the US, as YouTube TV is geographically restricted. Additional consideration: sports fans. YouTube TV is a great option for sports enthusiasts, offering ESPN, regional sports networks. Availability varies, and the option to add sports-focused add-ons like NFL Red Zone. Families with multiple streams and unlimited DVR, YouTube TV caters well to families with diverse viewing habits. Cord cutters. If you're used to cable TV, YouTube TV's interface and channel lineup will feel familiar, easing the transition to streaming. Conclusion: however, it may not be the most budget-friendly option, and its geographic restrictions may limit its appeal for international users. Ultimately, the best streaming service for you depends on your individual needs and preferences. Stay safe, stay secure, and in my opinion, YouTube TV is a compelling choice for those seeking a comprehensive cable TV replacement with a wide range of channels, unlimited DVR, and a user-friendly experience, which is why I've been using it for about a year. See you again soon. Bye-bye, and thanks for watching and listening.